of water. Please bless the people of this universe with good health and prosperity. I think I'm a little late today for my prayers.
Hair is not good. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, dad is came. Amma sister, did you pack everything? Please do it fast. If I go late, I'll miss the bus.
I don't know why these youngsters are always lazy in their work. They don't maintain their punctuality. Very bad, very bad. Good morning.
Daddy, please down your head. What about this fees matter?
My dear child, you want to go today itself?
Have to go.
Actually, I'm expecting some money today. That is the reason I asked you. I will give it the moment I get it.
Daddy, exam fees and the hostel fees, join it.
I know, dear. Everything will be alright. You need not worry about anything.
Amma sister.
Yeah, coming. Let me keep this also inside. I just prepared for you very hardly. Don't forget, okay?
Oh my god, you are parceled in the paper.
Why don't you give it in a different cover? Hey, Ram. I'm coming. Wait. What, Ram, did you get?
How come, sir? We simply went all the way till there.
What should I do?
Coconuts have no value now.
There is a reason for everything. When we want to buy something, it is expensive. Finally, what did he tell?
Amma
Any
sister, I'll
small
start
amount?
now.
He didn't give even $100.
Oh my god, why you are bothering about that? Please give it to me by next week. Listen, please don't think anything. I'll go, Dad. Bye, brother.
All right, yeah.
My dear, don't worry about the fees. Please concentrate on your studies alone. Buddy, there is an improvement in everything except our life alone. When will we improve?
You please simply don't think about all that, sir. There is an appropriate time for everything.
I don't think so. How is it possible?
Tomorrow, I have an exam for PSC. I was studying till 4 o'clock in the morning.
Sneezing sound is hearing in my home, you know. Why are you lying in the morning itself?
Why will I lie to you early in the morning? If I've ever said some truth, it's only to you, my dear sweetheart.
Okay. If you are lying, it should match, you know that?
I don't know all that. But when are you coming back next?
Next week. Okay, I have to go, otherwise I'll miss the bus.
Next week. Listen. Wait.
See you later.
Oh no. Hey!
The last time when I was fishing, no. Look here, I got such a big sea fish. And that too from this canal.
From this canal?
Then what?
The market guys are not able to catch the fish. How come you are
That
getting
is
a fish
because
from
they
here?
might not be as experienced as me.
Hey, is this the fish that you're talking
One
about?
tickle here.
Buddy, will you please keep quiet? He is smart enough to get one. Where is our friend? Ooh.
What happened? In the morning itself you are shouting? There also someone is shouting.
You are slightly shamed, right?
You actually saw our body.
When are you coming back?
Next week.
And one thing, Karthi, my master who taught me is still there in that college or what?
You go, dear. I will tell the answer for that.
The master who taught you na is not teaching in a college and all.
It's at Sri Krishna Vilas UPS school.
Oh, so he has not gone to college so
No,
far.
master might have gone to college and all. This fellow only has not gone to any college.
Hey, give me some paste, man.
No, you buy your paste with your own money and then brush.
Okay, you give me some paste, man.
Just give him some, man.
Hey, I'll buy you tomorrow and
I
give you,
really
man.
don't believe you at all. Now I want to see what you're going to do.
I cannot leave you like that, nah. What? Oh my God, my paste! I will. Really feeling fresh, man. Yeah, really. I'm also brushing.
I feel something is biting. Yeah. Something is biting, man.
Chandra,
Oh my
where
God.
are you all going this morning? Are you going for Arak or what? There is a procession. We are going for that now. Procession?
That's what I also heard.
What will you get? 300 and other expense. Heard it, man. 300 and other expense.
Did you hear? 300 and other expenses.
That's really good.
Oh my God, what is this now?
My God. It's really hot. My dear, get me some water to drink.
Amo is not here.
Where is she gone?
She'll come a little late.
Oh. What happened to the matter?
Got it. But not as much as we expected.
Approximately, what is the amount?
$2,000. They say the price of coconut has come down.
I don't know whether this amount will be okay. Today my trip was very bad.
Is it?
If I was born in a low caste, maybe I would have been benefited. The government is not bothered about our caste. God has to give a solution. Higher caste is always a burden.
This dried drumsticks, 1 kg is 90 rupees it seems.
Sit down, sit down. Please hand it over to Hari. Please tell him to hand it over to our child at the earliest. We have not paid the fees. It's already too late. She'll be very upset because of this. I wanted to pay some more amount, but what to do? I tried my level best.
Don't worry about that, sir. All that is in my hand.
What about traveling expenses?
About that and all, I will look after. I will send him tomorrow early morning, sir.
Okay. That's good.
Hey, what is this expense of 5,000? Hey, I didn't see that.
Okay, you just check it.
Only the account is there, not cash, huh?
Have you check it now?
Now, who is this drunkard?
What is it? Or processions and for other strikes?
shit.
Please contact us.
What to do?
Good. Men per head $500 and women per head $600. Oh my God!
guys start to worry in the morning.
Here, man.
This is actually a good idea. Who actually told
My dear sir, please don't dance around here and spoil our day today. Please, I'm just requesting you. Yeah, keep this. Now you just go from here.
That's a good idea. Because you are actually respecting me and I will also respect you
correct.
all the time and want to Okay. I'm
Horrible
going.
fellow. Please take care that no vehicle runs over you. Oh, there he goes. Oh God, please help him reach home.
One headache is over, now the next.
So this is the final statement.
550 plus 450. Don't you know maths? What is your problem? Just give it to me, man.
Hey bro, some big lottery has come for us.
He looks like a big show-off, man.
Good morning, good morning,
yes,
good morning,
welcome,
everybody.
good morning.
Come, who is
Come,
this
come,
now? The real politician, huh?
Don't try to pull my leg, buddy. Actually, coming 5th, there is a meeting at the secretariat. We want about 500 people to attend that.
500 people.
Buddy, we can definitely arrange people, but per person you have to give 500 rupees.
500 is too much.
500 is not too much. They have to stand in the hot sun, huh?
I will come to a deal. 300 rupees. 5th morning, 10 a.m. All should be there.
Okay, then just keep the advance and go.
What? You require advance too? State meeting is also coming very soon.
Keep the state meeting and all aside. First, return all the flags that were taken during the last strike. Give them back first. Is that not?
We know where the flag has gone also.
What, buddy? Even you get something, right? Just give little from that. That's it.
Correct.
Okay, I'll do the needful.
Enough. Don't eat it up fully. Come on, give it up.
Oh, okay, buddy. Please keep up the word. 5th morning, 10 a.m. We are meeting. Okay?
Done deal. Okay. See you. Now another two gentlemen are coming.
Yeah,
And next man, 5th.
What your marriage about?
No, meeting.
Right.
We'll need at least 150 people. Let them all be the fat ones. There's going to be a lot of police also.
Okay.
For lathi charge you to pay extra money and some eggs and milk as well.
Yeah.
Okay, brother, which party are you in now?
I've changed my party recently.
I too want to earn something, right?
Okay, do you need ladies for picketing or what?
Yeah, around 50 girls. I think Mohana can arrange for that.
Oh, that lady. We have given her a word last time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, buddy.
Okay. Bye. Oh, because of this Kudumbasri, nowadays we don't get ladies for work here.
Hey guys,
Yeah, what is
there
it?
is a problem, man.
What?
We have given all the programs on a single day, man.
Where?
Oh my god. The government has decided to keep under control all epidemic and plague related illnesses. Dengue fever and rat fever has to be totally wiped out, and the government is going to take full responsibility of the process, says the health minister. If it is difficult to recognize the rats with this disease, complex experiments would be tried on Adivasi community, say senior scientists. And this has been seriously condemned by the court also.
What are you talking? This world is becoming bad to us. Even if they are backward caste, they are also human beings.
Oh, who's this? Hello, who is this beggar?
Beggar your father!
This is our madam's husband.
Hey, you bloody donkey! You only have to say my name, not my wife's entire address. I also meant you guys.
That is right.
She is a little too beautiful. Many people in this village are feeling jealous of us being together.
What do you want now?
Feeling very cold. Nice
Okay,
cough
okay.
also. Just give me one ciggy.
So you want a smoke?
This fellow always plays a prank on us. Now let us actually play a prank on him.
Go ahead, man.
My dear bro, do you have fever?
I do have, dear.
What about cough and
That
cold?
also is there, dear. The phlegm that you spit have got red color. What?
Sometimes when I check, I do see that color.
Are you able to urinate?
It doesn't go like that only when I urinate.
Do you have severe body pain?
It is there. Then you need not
It's
doubt. It's
confirmed.
that only. What is it, dear? Actually, where do you sleep? With my wife.
Oh, then his wife must have also got it.
What?
Okay, are there rats at home?
3 to 4 rats and a big rat.
Oh, then the matter is what we expected.
What is it?
Rat fever.
Pick him up slowly. Nobody should know. He's been actually playing the fool with us for a while. Slowly. Take him.
Oh God! What is going on? Who are you people? Why are you taking him? Anyone is there? Please help! Why are you taking him? Don't take him! Anyone is there? Please help me! I don't know to whom I have to go and say this. Oh God! Anyone, please help me! Yeah, take care. Carefully. Step down slowly.
What, buddy? Both of you are here together?
Heard that the doctor is not well. Just came to meet her.
Come. Slowly. Yeah. Step carefully, okay? Otherwise it will slip. Till here we have come. We'll just go to that temple and go.
Going to the temple is all fine, but playing around when you see men, you should stop that.
What did I do?
In your age, if you take care, it's good for you.
What happened to me now?
There is a problem from my end, right?
Now you understood, no? Okay, go. Not that way. This way. Come on.
Come.
Slowly. Come slowly, okay? If you slip here, no? I can't lift you. I have to ask someone to lift you. Huh? What a surprise. You both are coming combinedly? Yeah, actually I just want to go to temple. Oh, really? Yeah, for children's sake. Oh, it's a good thing. Is there any good news? No, nothing is like that. Good news is for him only.
Oh, yeah, it's special for me. You can see everything which is special on me. Right,
Okay,
dear?
take care. I'll leave then. Okay. Okay, you come. She's asking about good news. I don't know what for you're fit for. I only know about my pain, you know. For how many days I was anxiously waiting for children. Never I will get. Definitely I won't.
My dear, you just be patient. It's not because I don't try.
What the hell you're saying? Look here, don't just make my mouth to open in front of temple,
oh my
okay?
God, just forgive us. Oh, you, my God, youngsters are coming. You go in front. You stand in front.
Why you just hiding like this? Come, friend.
How much is it?
It is 100 rupees. Nowadays, the rate has increased a lot.
What he meant is what happened in his hand.
Why you're asking about that, hey brother? He was sleeping outside after eating. 4 or 5 members came and just picked him up. That is all I know.
That's
Is it
true,
not?
that's true.
Yeah.
Do you have any previous enmity with someone?
Come on, let us
Come.
go. Don't put fuel into petrol.
What you saying
No, I
about?
mean not fuel and petrol into fire. We have other things to do, right?
Huh? Say this face. See, if you just make my mouth to open, now that's all.
The way you're looking at us, it seems like we have done some mistake. Ma'am.
What, brother?
You stand there. You should actually take care of your health very nicely,
sure.
okay? Take care of
Sure.
everything. You just keep moving. Go.
Huh.
Come, let's go, dear. Hey, you move from here.
What, Ram? Did you get the medicine?
Yeah, I got it. After roaming how many places?
Okay,
It's
okay.
very expensive, actually.
Yeah. Actually, it is unnecessary. This time BP has increased. Next time it will be for something else.
Doctor asked you to take medicines regularly. Have it.
Here, keep these medicines inside.
Doctors will always give a reason. Am I right, Ram?
Yeah, right. Then can I push off? My son and daughter has come.
Aha. That's nice. Then please leave soon.
Okay. Near what? Where's the quotation? In this village, for cleaning of the canal, a security deposit is actually welcome from contractors who are willing. What is this depositive? What the hell is that now? Check it inside. Oh, all strange people are sitting here, huh? What is this deposit? Oh, you don't know that or what? No, people get job here. This Baldi might know. Sir, what is this depositive, sir? Hey, you are not ashamed to ask these sort of questions or what? You should learn to be a little gentleman. If you don't know, then why are you shouting? I think I'll ask here. Sir, what is this depositive, sir?
You're not able to understand? You're not from the city? We don't hide anything from the people. When the Lord comes, we give everyone. If you have any doubt, you can go and ask the secretary.
Lord.
Yeah. Please go and ask him.
I'm going. This is the right government office. Is this the secretary I am asked to talk to? Madam.
Yeah, understood. Don't you hear what he said? If you are ability, bring your Aadhaar card and link with that. If Lord comes, we will surely give
Now
you.
I understood everything.
Oh, here comes my sir. Oh, sir, master. One sec. Don't. Wait, master. I don't have brake. I don't have brake. Wait, I don't have brake. Please. Sir, I'm not driving you to ask money, sir. I have got a genuine doubt, sir.
have brake only. I thought of coming this way. In the middle of that, you
Oh
have
my
a doubt.
God.
Whatever it is, even after growing up so much, you have come to me only to ask a doubt, right? That is called a good student. Okay, what is your doubt? You ask me.
Master, what is this D positive? What is it?
What should I say? What is this? Come. This A positive, B positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, all this you might have heard actually. These are all the divisions of a blood group only. And this I have taught you in detail in biology.
When?
And similarly like that, we also have a different sort of blood group which is actually D positive. That is only present in only scientists who actually work in NASA, ISRO and all similar situations like that in Russia, Muscat and all those places. Actually, why do you want...
Master, I really don't want to know about it only now.
All the four are here. Wait. All the four, wait. Yes, I'm telling. All the four should listen to me.
Okay.
I heard everything. You people are just wasting your time.
Not like
Do you think even now you're small children?
But we.
Don't tell me anything. Even if you don't a government job, can't you start some business? Every job has got its own importance. Do you think you guys can survive only with the government job?
No, uncle, nothing like that.
Then what do you think? Guys, do something. Don't waste your time like this. You should not be a burden to your parents. You're all grown-up boys. Let me tell you.
Nowadays, girls are also going for jobs.
Is that so? You don't belong to that category also.
Don't laugh, you dogs. That is because I don't have a mustache.
If you're ready to listen, I will tell you one thing. I have a small property belonging to me. If all the four are ready to work hard, you guys can do some agriculture. You can get some help from the government and the banks too. What? Can't you think about that? You need not pay me anything for that.
At least a job that can match our education.
Why do you think always negatively? Anyway, it's just my suggestion, okay? Whenever four of you have a get-together, just think seriously what I've told you about now. I'm leaving.
Yeah, okay.
Why don't you open your mouth and tell me something?
Yes, I'll think about it.
Fine, that's better.
It's very sensitive.
For me too. This nail polish which I've applied is remaining like that only. Is it hurting you or what? Your leg, if somebody sees, is very beautiful.
Really? Oh, he's coming here. Okay, I'll go inside now.
Those who are sleeping, we can wake them up. But those who are pretending to sleep,
Oh my god, who is this? Master, servant or what? I didn't see you. Please sit.
you thankless fellow. For a little milk, you came to my boss and asked and fought for money, right?
Fodder and hay. Nobody is giving me loan for that. That's why.
Yes, man. I came to settle that loan only.
Okay, then the account might be really big. I have not prepared an account also. You please entirely hand it over to me.
I just came
I got it completely. I'm so happy now.
Hey, you dog. The person responsible for your growth is my master only. The person who only knows how to give. You have been arguing with him for money, right? You dog. You worthless fellow. You will never become alright. When you came like a beggar and you were crying, my master gave his best cow to you. You will never have a good peaceful life. You cheat. Worthless fellow.
What is this? I hear some cracker
The children
sound.
are bursting crackers for
Oh,
Christmas.
that one. Diwali. Diwali will not come now,
You
no?
might have heard something else.
Look here, don't just say me like that and all,
You are
okay?
not destined for that.
Oh God, I'm not expecting anything. Look here, just make me to be silent, otherwise that's
Oh my
all.
god, she is going to destroy it, I guess. It's just not the. It is just not the plastic alone. Every dirt is there inside this bloody canal.
I think, did you see that fish?
Who fell into the water?
Fell into the water. Hey, who's this new fellow, man?
Which means nobody fell into the water or what? Let me be whoever it is. When I went to the junction only, I got to know there are 4 unemployed youth here and I got to know more about you. When I see unemployed youth, from within my being, a wild beast comes out. Hey, don't jump. I'll let you know when to jump. The only thing what I inherited from my ancestors is this wild nature. Not that alone. Living and traveling through these action-oriented situations have actually made me a wild person like this.
It's only actually from within only.
By the way, what is your name?
Tommy.
Tommy can be kept for dogs. Your name?
Nazar?
Nazar. He is the father of his father.
No, I'm a son.
This son will only become a father, na?
Hari.
Govind. Govind. Hari Govinda Nazar Tommy. Marvelous. Fantastic. My novel can get this awesome title. Idealistic. Systematic.
What is this here?
Awesome. By the way, I didn't introduce myself to you. I am JKK. That's my pen name. Novelist, correspondent, and an editor. Guys, when I think about you, I pity you guys. I am troubled and deeply moved. If you look behind you,
Huh?
several years back, a youngster who was nobody, just with a meager $10 in his pocket and a toned bag like this, he came to this open world governed by wolves. Come on.
Actually, if you think, can we get some job or something?
Obviously, I am coming to that only. Sit. Sit somewhere, everywhere you like. His unmatched ability to write and his power of creativity. None of the media people here actually tapped it. He wrote on soiled papers. He wrote till the pen was empty, till his hands ached. He wrote all the letters he knew. Writing, that particular day arrived. An angel from heaven descended in front of him. And he became an editor, a chief editor, and then an accountant. Which story is this, sir? No, I have heard it somewhere. You might not have heard it. It's my story only. My story. But this story has got some similarity with another novel which I've read. What do you say?
You will get it. So what did you say now actually?
The guts that you have to do any job, I really appreciate that. Hats off. Now what you should do is actually just one thing. You should somehow raise some fund. After all, but only just 2 lakhs. That's enough. Just because I am experienced in this journalism field, some adjustments can happen. After all, experience always counts. That's it. Experience counts always. Can you follow me? Since you guys are new, I'm just telling you. This media industry is not like a matchbox industry. For example, if you have a magazine and you make it grow, it becomes a big organization. With the help of that, many people will live. Apart from that, your individual lives will also change forever. And that's for sure. You got it?
Actually, we never knew all this.
That is why I am here. Hey, hello, excuse me. Can you reduce the amount or what? Hey, what do you mean by talking like that? You are in a fish market or what? This is a media industry. Do you know that? Only if you throw money will you be able to pull money. You got it?
Sir.
You got it?
Yeah.
Don't make
Hey.
this donkey talk to me
Sir,
anymore.
please.
No, I'm not here. I'm not.
Sir,
sir,
please
sir, please.
adjust, sir. Sir, please. Just shut up, man.
1 packet Siggy. Write it in the account.
Okay. As usual, credit.
I'll give it tomorrow. No?
Yeah, I've heard it a lot of times. So 7 plus 9 plus 14. This is. Today you didn't go to meet your friends? 34. They left, Dad. Actually, Dad, I wanted to tell you something. What do you want to tell your father? Instead of wasting your time with your friends, why don't you help your father? Have you ever thought about that? I have told you, Dad, I'm always ready to help you. But you have never accepted that. I have given proper education to you, but I don't think it's of any use. Okay. Tell me, for what have you come? One of my friend has given me an idea of business. It's about publishing a book. Oh. He said it is a very profitable business. Actually, for that, I require some amount of money from you, Dad. To start the business, what you have told, it requires a lot of investment. My dear child, as you think now, it's not very easy job. When my other friends are ready to invest, I too, you know about me. Financially, I'm very weak now. You know that I don't have even a penny with me. Actually, Dad, I have a idea for that. But you should not feel angry. No. Tell me, son. Dad, you have invested some money in that mutual fund, right? Yeah. If you can take some money from that. You want me to collect it before the time is over? What are you talking, my dear child? Your sister has to get married. What will I do at that time? Tell me. I have invested some amount only for that purpose. Don't you know about that? Okay, Dad. I will tell them. I'm not joining this business. Don't feel, my dear. If you become upset, I can't see that.
Uncle, one magazine, please.
Yeah, take this. I will try to arrange money somehow. Dad, you are my only son, my dear child. You have to take care of the family. So I will try my level best to always help you. My son should always be blessed. Oh my Lord, please protect my son. It's my humble prayer.
2013, Thursday, May 16th.
As of now, the details given are fine. Okay, let me read it completely. 5th ward, from the seaside, the house which belongs to my family, Tacholit, myself, Martandan son Govindan, from his father, is collecting 10 cents of ground from this property. This property, which Mr. Govind has got a share, is worth 2 lakh of rupees. After receiving this amount too, he will not have any share in this family other than this property and cash, will not ask his parents about any more share, will not disturb his parents anymore for investment or property sharing basis. This is with my complete knowledge. Myself, Govind. Can I have your signature?
Dear Dad, 3 edits are required. That I don't have further share in the property, that I should not have any more connection with my mom, and about returning the money also.
Oh. In that case, you will not be getting even a penny from this amount. If you want it, you have to put the signature.
Okay.
Come on. Put. Have this too.
Now what is this white paper for?
I'll tell you. Listen carefully. For the 2 lakh rupees what you're receiving now, you have to pay an interest of 2,000 rupees every month without fail. I will not forget that. Put the signature for that.
You are the right example for a dad.
Have this.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I forgot one thing. 3 underwears are kept inside for drying. Can I take that
No,
also?
not required. Let it be there. You can buy new from the nearby market. Come on, go.
Okay. Then shall I come? I need your
blessing you.
blessings.
Please leave.
Okay, I'm leaving. Mom, please keep the kitchen door always open.
I know what are you going to do in your life. Just wandering. That's it. This is the last chance for him to improve. Otherwise, let him get lost.
Anybody to get down here? Anybody to get down here? Come fast. Come.
What happened? Why are you late?
Train
Okay,
late.
right. Come on.
Your dad must be worried. Okay, I need to tell you something. We guys are planning to move to the city.
4 members are.
Yes. But we will be needing some money for that. And then the other 3 guys, I think their jobs are through.
Then what you did on the time?
Mom has said that she'll ask for money from somebody. But who's going to lend money?
Everything will be all right.
Who knows? I'll be able to go only if I get some money. If I'm not there, they might also not go. And then we guys need to stick around here and do some work.
Nothing is there to worry about it. Sure, good things will be happen.
Yeah, let's see.
Why you are so late, dear? You don't worry, son. Surely that God will show us a good way.
Why is there a pin drop silence here?
Hi.
Hello, Hari. What happened, man? What happened, mother?
Nothing, man. We always decided that we'll do everything together, right? But now...
What are you telling, buddy? What's happened now?
Look here, son. I didn't get any money at all. Actually, this was a very huge amount. No one will give us.
You know, right? For my sister's marriage, father had kept some money. That is what he gave me.
I got the money after severing the relation and then signing on a stamp paper. Now I can never go back home. I was confident that we will stand together. That is why I took this drastic step.
We don't have any other option, buddy.
Now what will we tell that crazy journalist now?
Dear. My dear. Can't you hear?
Daddy? What's this and all?
Actually, for a hurry, he'll be getting a job very soon. So that's the reason I can't help him financially. So I thought this will be the only way for me.
All what is remaining is that big utensil. Now, if you give that to...
So you both are come here to obstruct me or what? This is the only way I can help Hari.
It is for your good only. Otherwise, have I said anything?
I know. Please come.
Okay.
Do it fast, brother. How much time it will take? Here, sunrise also is not coming. Shit.
Why are you getting upset for small things? Yeah, now it's over.
All right. What a wait.
Hari, I know that you will come. I was waiting for you.
Uncle, I have come for your blessings.
You will always have my blessing. You should prosper. Your friends are also coming.
Sorry, we are late.
Why are you guys late?
Got to pack everything and come, right?
So then, we all will...
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, thank you.
God bless
Thank
you.
you. Bye, bye. Okay, sir. Okay, come, let's go.
You're already late now.
After
Mr. Lord,
saying
start
a time,
lighting at
these
us.
fellows will never stick to the time.
Come.
Where are they gone?
Don't
This
say anything.
bloody place is also... What is this? What is the time now?
I don't
Is
know
this
what's-
your responsibility?
I don't know what's-
Huh? No. This won't do. In the beginning, if you're like this, how will you do in the future? Huh? Do you know who you made to wait for so long? The country's biggest story writer, a journalist, one useless
Sir,
fellow.
please cool down, sir. We have to
I
get
said
some
the fact-
cash.
I said the
That's the
fact
reason we
only.
went to collect it.
What
Yeah.
he said is right.
Now
What
I
he
got
said.
it.
You're
Just
correct.
let that go. Now what next?
We have to get in the
We
vehicle.
should get in the vehicle. Come on.
Sir, are we going to the city now?
No.
No.
Then where are we going?
Now we are going to the land and kingdom of fictional stories. Now we are going to travel. Come on. Get in.
Come on, let's go.
Okay. Okay. Everybody sit and relax. Now we are going.
Hey, what happened?
That is nothing. I'm just thinking my past. I was just thinking about that. You know, my grandfather had only one son. He got married and having one girl child. The whole village is celebrated for that grandchild. But after that baby born, the family has suffered a lot about that. They met a big accident. After that, she don't know the feeling of that. She bought up, she studied a lot. Her career was good because of the grandfather. After a few days, the grandfather won't be there. What about our situation?
I will be there to wait with you. I'm there. I will never leave you alone.
Hari?
So close, no matter how far. The green fields around me, no matter how clean.
Has anybody seen my land? How beautiful it is. Huh? Oh my god, you have changed a lot, huh? Did you get some lottery or what? I hope you didn't forget us.
Can I forget you like that or what? How are you? Madam is fine, na?
I will take care of her. You only take care of me. You have actually not changed your old nature, huh? I want to ask something. Can we actually post a picture of owls in your paper or what?
When do you want?
Anytime.
Then you can come with me immediately. We'll go and do it.
Okay.
Yeah, come.
Okay, go slowly. You know how to ride and all, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Slowly,
Yeah, hold me properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what's this?
Photo.
That I know, man.
Instead of mother and child, we are going to put father and child.
Good. There are fathers like this who love their children very much. This is a surprise for me.
What is there to be so surprising? Daddy's day out. Daddy cool. Daddy.
Okay, please stop it now. This is all film's names, right?
But this is life. Real life story.
Hey man,
Huh?
what happened to the work you went for?
Hey, buddy, just see this for a minute.
How is it, bro? My selection?
I know you'll do a good job, man.
Hey, don't flatter me, boss. I will be flying around everywhere.
This is that guy from a village, right? Where does he have a child?
Hey, after we came, he got a child.
What? How is that possible?
It's like that.
I don't get to read the newspapers at all. Let me read it today.
Here, I just made sweet soup from our cow's milk. Little only I prepared. Here,
Oh,
have it.
give. Thank you. Okay, did you keep the calf
Yeah, I
inside?
will do that now. You just drink. Nice, huh?
You put sugar in, right?
Yeah. It's
Very
sweet,
good,
no?
very good, very good,
Okay,
nice,
then
nice.
drink.
Auntie,
Huh?
uncle's photos come in the
Oh,
magazine.
really? Why you didn't say anything about
That
that?
is a suspense.
Oh. Say the fact. Who is this guy? Come on, say the fact. Don't just say lie to me, okay? You're just fooling me. Come on, say the fact. Say, really, say who is this? You know it to drink anything. Go. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, did you know
What?
that girl who's studying in our college? That NRI from America? She's missing.
To spoil the goodwill of an organization, one person is enough.
The other 3 girls are also missing now, sir.
My worry is not that. This Karthika's grandfather actually taught me in the high school. Then he was a role model actually.
The Airtel you're trying to call is currently not reachable. Please try later. The call is switched off.
Mr. Fernandez, through this activity, your daughter has actually hampered the goodwill of this organization.
I understand. But still, giving such a big punishment, my daughter's not have done a very big mistake.
Yeah.
Openly consuming alcohol in front of everyone, compelling other girls also to consume alcohol. The reputation of this campus has been damaged, you know that?
Generation has changed, sir. In America, you know what will happen? In school itself, teachers will encourage all this. No one will mind about all these things. You know that?
I don't believe these sort of practices are prevailing there. Now, even if there is a lot of difference between American culture and our culture. We should only try and ape the positive side in their culture, not the negative side.
Very sorry. To accept your advice, I don't have any time for that.
If this is your attitude, then your daughter cannot continue her studies here. You can take a TC and then take her to America.
That is what we also decided about her. It's not that if she doesn't study in this college, she will destroy her career. Nonsense.
May God keep you safe is only what I have to say. Now you can go.
Okay, come, let's go.
Don't know what we have to do now. She left every one of us and went and settled in America.
Oh my god, how will I ever face my brother now? He had to struggle a lot to put me in a hostel for studying. Hey, why don't you say something?
After doing all the things, see how they are sitting. College has suspended all you people. You don't have permission to stay here anymore. Now where we will go? That and all I don't know. Kartika, tomorrow you have to leave from here. We didn't do any mistake, no? Look, everyone should leave from here by 10 o'clock itself.
Just because of you guys, one family has been destroyed. You should not leave these fellows like that.
Wait. You can't go inside.
Can't we
Wait
go
here.
inside?
No. We can't let you in.
Wait,
No, stand here.
We have not heard about any enemies of
Okay.
this.
Okay. We shouldn't have any problems later.
No problem.
Just keep an eye here.
Yeah,
Come, let's
there's
go and
no-
see.
No issues.
Come.
Let's go, come.
Sir, do you have any connection with this house member?
I am actually a household member of this family.
Are you were here at that time?
I was not here. I was in the cow shed.
Can I ask you something? You said you are a household member here. Now you said that when he died, you are not here. If I think it politically, can we understand that this was a murder committed by you?
If you think like that, I will hit your bloody face off.
Hey, this is not the way to
Then
give an
what the
answer.
hell should I do?
Yeah, what is the problem here? Everybody move outside.
Yeah, move.
Move.
Move and stand.
Don't crowd around here.
I didn't do anything. Sir,
Please
just
let
let
us
him
go
go in,
inside,
sir.
sir.
Just once, sir.
What has answered? What has happened?
We didn't do anything.
Hey, don't worry, man. Don't worry. We are all there together. We were all part of this fight.
all this happen?
Sit outside there. Come. Get up.
Just look at her.
Get up. Don't worry, man. We are all there together with you. We will always be there. Pepper's inauguration is happening now. Karthika, why are you looking sad now? Please come here.
That is,
That's okay.
What is this?
Kartika, you should be the one to inaugurate this.
That is correct. Yeah, just clap.
Yeah.
Come on.
All of us with positive thoughts. Let us start a new chapter in our life. We all should be true to our job and improve the society. Come, let's work for that. Hope you guys agree?
Yes. Hardships are gone forever.
Yeah.
Correct.
Very good.
Come on.
Okay, very good. Oh, if anybody has to sell paper. Hurry, you cannot waste your time like this. Now you should have children now. Oh my God. Hey, here is our journalist man. Catch him.
Hey, catch him.
No.